Want a clean, sharp look? Let's see the best beard trimmers of 2025. You'll find the links in the description below.
At number 5, Remington MB 7000 Turbo Boost Beard Trimmer. The Remington MB 7000 Turbo Boost Beard Trimmer offers powerful performance with a lightweight design. It features a turbo boost mode for thicker hair and precise cutting with titanium-coated blades. With up to 90 minutes of cordless runtime, it's highly convenient for travel or home use. The memory settings allow you to save your preferred trimming lengths. Its ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable grooming experience. Ideal for detailed trimming or maintaining short beards, it's a great all-around tool. Remington's build quality guarantees durability and reliability. At number 4, Wahl Stainless Steel Lithium Ion Plus Beard Trimmer. The Wahl Stainless Steel Lithium Ion Plus Beard Trimmer combines sleek style with impressive cutting performance. It features self-sharpening stainless steel blades that maintain sharpness over time. The powerful lithium-ion battery offers up to 4 hours of runtime on a single charge. Multiple guide combs and attachments make it a versatile tool for beards, stubble, and even body grooming. The quick charge feature adds extra convenience for last-minute trims. Its all-metal body feels premium and durable, fitting comfortably in the hand. Wahl remains a trusted name in grooming products for good reason. At number 3, Braun Beard Trimmer BT7240. The Braun BT7240 is a highly precise and user-friendly beard trimmer designed for modern grooming needs. It includes a precision dial offering 39 length settings for perfect control. The sharp blades ensure consistent performance and even cutting. A powerful battery provides 100 minutes of cordless trimming. It also comes with a Gillette Fusion 5 Pro Glide razor for clean shaving edges. Easy to wash under running water, it's ideal for those who value simplicity and precision. The sleek design and reliability make it a solid choice for any grooming routine. At number 2, Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Series 9000. The Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Series 9000 is the ultimate all-in-one grooming device. It comes with over 20 attachments for beard hair and body trimming. Dual-cut technology ensures maximum precision with twice the number of blades. The stainless steel body offers durability and a premium feel. It delivers up to 6 hours of cordless use per charge. Self-sharpening blades require no maintenance or blade oil. Whether you want a full beard or fine detailing, this trimmer can handle it all with ease. At number 1, Panasonic ERS B40K Beard Trimmer. Leading the list is the Panasonic ERS B40K Beard Trimmer, known for its exceptional precision and smooth trimming experience. Featuring a linear motor that maintains consistent cutting power regardless of beard density, it ensures flawless results. The ultra-sharp stainless steel blades are designed to cut even the thickest hair cleanly. It offers 19 adjustable trim settings via a quick-adjust dial. With a waterproof design, you can easily use it wet or dry. Its elegant, ergonomic body makes grooming comfortable and easy. Panasonic delivers top-tier quality with this outstanding trimmer.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other SmartPicks. Happy shopping!